Here's 3 ways to get iPhone and iPad out of guided access mode. You should triple-click Home button for non-10 iPhone users, triple-click Side or Power button on iPhone X or later model to exit guided access mode. Like this video, share and subscribe. Solution number 2. Force restart your iPhone or iPad to disable guided access mode. Press and quickly release volume up button. Press and quickly release volume down button. Then press and hold side button till phone turn off. Press and hold on volume down button and power button at the same time until Apple logo appear. Like this video, share and subscribe. Press and hold on Home button and Power button at the same time to force restart. Solution number 3. Open iCloud.com on the web and put your phone into lost mode. Using this way you can exit guided access mode.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button and tap on bell icon to get the latest video notifications alert. Also be sure to follow on social media and we'll see in the next video.